Good morning, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be inviting you a bit into a relaxed Sunday morning. I'm starting off by making some tea for Don and I. Normally, my husband would drink coffee, but for some time now, he has been drinking more tea. As for the children, they'll be having water for now. It's time for a devotion, of course. What better way to start off your day? In our household, it's quite crucial to have our daily devotion and overall to just put God first in everything. And you know what? Our children love when we get it together. Just being able to teach and bring our children up in the things of God is of a great effect, especially in an evil time as this.
So for our juice today, I'm going to make my famous sunshine orange juice, which is club soda, orange juice, pineapple juice, and guava. Guava, pineapple juice, quick stir. Put some chocolate croissants along with our brunch today. And I'm going to make a little slit in this one. I've already did the 5 of them. Cut down my chocolate and I'm just going to stuff these in there. Just like that. Carefully so you don't want to tear up the croissant too much. You can use any kind of chocolate you want. I'm using a 75% cocoa chocolate. I'm gonna put these on a baking sheet and just put them in the oven to warm just enough for the chocolate to melt.
For today, we're having our Sunday brunch. We actually try to have this once per month. As you can see, we have our lovely chef that's preparing the meal for us.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
So while Don is plating the food, our daughter and I will be setting the table. Also, we'll be placing the food on the table.
Till the morning light, before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that
guys, this is all the lovely food that was made for us. It looks so good. This is such a beautiful brunch, and I just want to say thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a lovely and blessed day. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear